Hi students, how are you? I expect that all of you were well and the fine, and you were at the present times in the engaged in the preparation for the annual examination. This is the very peak time, and I in the previous video I made the different video of the mathematics from the coordinate geometry and section and it's from the NCERT guidelines. Some chapter is removed portion was the area of the triangle from the coordinate geometry, and two chapter from the coordinate geometry in your syllabus are here. First, the distance formula. Second, the question from the section formula. Today I am starting and giving the introductory class of the arithmetic progression. Come on here, I will give you the detail about this, that arithmetic progression. Before starting this arithmetic progression, I am giving the small brief related to it. It will help you to understand the conception of the arithmetic progression. It means first we understand what is the progression. What is progression? In mathematics, progression means increasing. The progression means arrangement of the number in which all of the number which are arranged in the sequence and follows the certain rule that is called progression. Progression is divided into three parts. First, here AP, that is called arithmetic progression. Second is GP, that is called geometric progression. Third is SP, that is called harmonic progression. Suppose I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ... Here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It is the collection of the number. It is also the collection of the number, but it follows the certain rule. It also follows the certain rule. What we see in this way: 2 minus 1, here 1, 3 minus 2 equal to 1, 4 minus 3 equal to 1, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. In every case, we see that the difference is same. This is the condition, the difference is same. Here, we see that 2 minus 1 equal to 1, but 4 minus 2 equal to 2, 8 minus 4 equal to 1. Therefore, here is difference is not same. Therefore, it has the another, it follows the another rule. Another rule is here. So when this 1 is divided by 2, the 2 by 1 equal to 2. Then this 2 is divided by 4, the 4 by 2 equal to 2. When this 8 is divided by 4, so when 2 is divided by 1, it gives value 2. This 4 is divided by 2, it gives value 2. 8 is divided by 4, it gives value 2. 16 is divided by 8, it gives value 2. 32 is divided by 16. In this way, we see that the difference of the every number is same. But here, the ratio of every consecutive number is also same. It means now, it is also, numbers are here also progression. These numbers are also in progression. It follows the certain rule, therefore that is called progression. First, this progression, it is divided into three parts. First is the AP. AP means that progression in which this common difference is same. AP means that progression in which the common difference between every two consecutive number is same is called arithmetic progression. Okay, it is clear. Now for the conception of its every table, when we get the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in this table we see that common difference is same. Also whenever we read the table of 2, 2 to 2 is 4, to 3 is 6, to 4 is 8, to 5 is 10. In this table also we see that difference is same. 2, it means when I write here 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. What we see? Difference is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 8 is 2, 8 minus 10 is 2, 12 minus 10 is 2, 40 minus 12 is 2, 16. What we see in every case, common difference is same. Also in the 3 table, common difference is same. 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Here is also the common difference is same. Therefore, all of the table, 2, 3, 2, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5, all of these table are in AP. Okay, this is the definition of and introduction of the arithmetic progression. It contains the certain terms. First is the definition. That is the definition of arithmetic progression. Second is here, term is here common difference. Common difference. Again, for this, in this way, in introduction of the progression, I told you that there are 3 types of the progression. First is the arithmetic progression, AP. This is the geometric progression, GP. In this progression, the difference is same, AP. But in GP, geometrical progression, ratio is same. Ratio is the same. Here, reciprocal. So now, you will get to study this in the higher class, next class. But here, common difference, the common difference is very simple. Difference between the 2 consecutive number. Difference between two consecutive number in that sequence in AP is called common difference. This is another term of the common difference. Okay. That is the common difference. Now another term. Suppose we have to understand and identify which are the AP, which are in AP and which are not in AP. For your example, I am citing some of the questions which is related to the arithmetic progression. It will help you to understand the arithmetic progression. Every terms. Suppose I am writing some of the number is here. Suppose we are given root 3, comma root 12, comma root 27, dot. We have to identify whether these are in AP or not. First question here, identification. Suppose we are given root 3, root 12, root 27, dot. So we will, and okay. Now root 12 equal to 4 into 3, that is called 2 root 3. Root 27 equal to 9 into 3, that is equal to 3 root 3. So we will do the common difference. The first number is the root 3, second number is the root 12, its value is here 2 root 3, its value is here root 3. Next is the root 27, its value is here 3 root 3. So what we see? Difference between 2 root 3 and root 3 is root 3. Difference between 3 root 3 and 2 root 3 is root 3. Therefore what we see? The common difference. This number is same. Therefore it is in AP. It is the first question. Okay. That was the introduction. First, what is the arithmetic progression? Second, how will identify this? This is in AP. When common difference is same, that is in AP. And then the detail in the next video I will teach you. But again I request you, I appeal you that you watch for the coordinate geometry in the previous video, and also like it, share it, subscribe it for the detail of your study. Okay, thank you guys.